Hey guys, Tony Smith with Minted Yachts here at the SoFlo Boat Show. Behind me, you're gonna see the NX290, and this is an outboard version. We're gonna go ahead and check out this boat. Let us know your thoughts and comments down below. Okay, so we're looking at the exterior of the NX290, and again, it does have this beautiful flare and really great platform. So, moving on to the boat, you notice it is an entertainer's dream. You have this nice sea deck on this with the NX integrated. You know, you do have those outboards, but you don't sacrifice the entertainment area with this boat. Now, NX makes both inboards and outboards, and you really will see this is an entertainer's boat. You've got the electric grill on this one, as well as this beautiful woodwork here. And then you'll see all the NXs come nicely equipped with beautiful sound systems. On the port side, you have L-shaped seating, starboard side, opposing L-shaped seating, high-low table there, and beautiful woodwork on this. And again, these are really great boats. I'm 6'4", I can easily transit through. We've got this nice protective hardtop with all this great AV equipment. And check it out, here's the helm. So this is a bolstered helm. It's got the diamond stitch on it, dedicated SIMRAD, and your Mercury vessel information for those outboards. So traditional controls on this one. If you'd like a bow thruster on this boat, we can set you up with that. And then check this out, one step up and you easily transit through, and you've got this beautiful area. Again, with the flare on these NXs, that allows you to have just a ton of volume. So stepping down a few steps, you'll see we have this really nice area. Now this can be set up as a lounge area or as the berth that it has in this configuration. We do have a microwave there, all of our electronics. We've got cold storage down below. Now also on the 290, you get a second berth. So you'll see across the ship here, you've got a nice area. So that's easily big enough for a couple to sleep in. You've got the beautiful windows there, beautiful hardware on the boat, and you have a dedicated shower here. So this is their wet head with an electric toilet. What a great use of space. So on a sport boat, you really get a ton of overnight capabilities in this boat, and it's at a very attractive price. We just have a ton of value here for these boats. So we love that these are standard manufactured boats that are coming into stock. We are partners with NX, and we would love to explain how to get your hands on these boats and really the value that you get with NX and all of its incredible capabilities. Here's those outboards. Again, there's multiple power packages available. We can configure this boat however you like, but this is really a great option for many people that are looking to get out on the water this summertime. We're gonna spin through and we're gonna show you the front of the boat a little bit as well. You see here, this is that flare that I'm talking about. So you'll see the beautiful chines in the hull. You see how it's flared out. And this is why you get all that additional volume. You get your dedicated windlass there. You get all that interior volume. So now you can really see on this boat why it's such a valuable boat to get, with the amount of room that you get in the size of the platform, and then having that entertaining area in the back, even though you've got the outboards. Just a really incredible boat by NX here at the SoFlo Show. On behalf of myself, Tony, and the rest of the team, thanks for checking out the NX290. If you're in market for a boat like this, please feel free to reach out at the info below. For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.